Ngibingelele nginamukele ku-YouTube wami, igama lami uMphiwe Bantam. Umfana Love Lakade, umfana wakaHoho. Ngibuyile with another story. So namhla ngifuna ukunicocela ukuthi bengikufihla kanjani ukubhema kwami esikolweni, ehostel la bengihlala khona neMajida, kanjalo nasekhaya. Ungangihleki kakhulu, kude umlode story but I feel like cause sengenza i-decision yokuba clean, move on ngempilo yami. I feel like I should share ukuthi bengifihla njani. But-ke once again solo ngiyasho, I'm not proud of this but still I'm sharing cause I feel like I should share cause kwanami nangicabanga nangibuyela emuva kuyangihlekisa. I feel like ngiva ngathi bengislima kakhulu. So ngizokucala ngekufihla kwasendlini cause nakuvula isikole bengihlala esikoleni neMajida and bengingimi lo mncane edomini lethu. So into le bengiyenye bengiphuma hambe ngiyongawuza. So nasengawuzile bengiphuma ne-Colgate nesicupho ngihambe ngiyongawuza. Nasengibuye ngawuzeni engcembe ombini la kunesink khona cuphe busamboma 4 minutes to 5 minutes ngicupha solo ngisho ngizama ukubulala le smell yabo. But still kungangisebenteli lokho. Nangifika endlini bangibona eMajida bathi unani wena, yabo. Ngicabanga ukuthi next time ngiyenda njani. So the following days ngiphume nesicupho kanjalo, ngiphume nesipho ngihambe ngibheme. Nasengibuyela endlini cuphe phindze leyo 4 minutes, thathe itandla tami ngitiqophe lesingini. Yo, it was crazy. Ngenzaba ukuthi ngifuna ukucoshisa ma-drugs which is insango. And lokunye lebengiye ngikwende yabo lesigele. Lokunye lebengiye ngikwende, by the way kuse-high school la Elangeni, ngingafunda khona e-secondary. Lokunye lebengiye ngikwende engihamba-ke ngiyobhema ngibuye ngihlale maybe eklasini ngento engathi ngiyadadisha baze balale endlini cause bebabadzala vele, like beba overprotective kimi, bangigada bangafuni ukuthi ngibheme. I'll make the example, shout out to school, Sikhumbuzo lo dlala le party. Malume la ukhona khona no nayidlala inzima yini but then vele beyisele ngabe bekimi ukuthi ngidecide, otherwise nazama baby face sizwe dlamini la ukhona khona. Mina-ke tholo ngiyasho hayi nayizama indlela enzima yini. But-ke I wanna let you know guys ukuthi I'm clean. I'm 6 months clean futhi I'm going to 6 years clean. Decision engidecide kuyenda cause I feel like it's a good thing and I need to be healthy vele. Lokunye nangisendlini ekhaya khona-ke vele bengiphuma nemadlana ngikhona ukuthenga boma-holes but still kufani nje endlini bakubambe ukuthi ubhemile cause noma uyayadi-ke ama-drugs noma ungazama ukuthi iqinisa kwayo bathi uyadiqinisa mfana, bathi uyadiqinisa uzama ukubukela i-TV lapha still bantu abadala batakubona ukuthi hayi namhla kusuke lo Mphiwe lapha Mateo bakubuthi ethi unani wena, yabo. And ngikhumbula there was this one time la khona malume wami waze wasonzela wangibuka lamehlo cause uyabona now high majority abantu bayathi now high amehlo ababovu. Wangibuka lamehlo wathi hey mfana, akuhlupha lamehlo mfana wasisi. And that day wayilima inhliziyo yami lokho ngaba like kusela abantu abadala abangikhathalela kangako, mina ngibhizi ngenda lokhu lengikwendawo. But-ke kude umlo ngabanjwa bekunene, bengibanjwa everywhere cause mina futhi bebathanda ukungiwashela kanti donke naleti insango nalimagwayi ufaka lamakhikini abangiwashela, yabo. Lamakhikini la ekugcineni kwalamakhikini abathi bayavula abantu abadala, imajority nje bayathanda ukungiwashela mama namalume. Nakathi uyawasha nakafika la ekugcineni kwalamakhikhi that khanza investe ensango timvitsi ligwayi. So vele bekude indlela yokuphika. But-ke solo ngiyasho I'm not proud ngalo but I feel like I should share cause kude umlode story. But-ke vele mina kubhema kwami esikoleni nasekhaya kuzange nje sekube lula. Always bengibanjwa and bengishaywa straight, bengishaywa but still ngakusasa I would go back ngiyothenga leyo something, ngibheme leyo something ngibe high. But-ke to me I feel like it was an adventure. That's why I should share. And lokunye engikukhumbulayo, ngikhumbula this one time la kwakhona ngaba high angathi kwenzekani, maybe lama drugs ngeke ngiwasho bebawafake something cause ngaba high isikhathi saziseqa, like which kweca isikhathi lesinormal, isikhathi sengisitayela siseceka. So ngikhumbula ngaze ngayovula ishawa, ngahlala kushawa for 4 hours but still selokufana. Ngishaya umthandazo omncane ukuthi namhla bengigcina kubhema. Kusasa-ke angiphinzi, but only to find out ukuthi isikhathi sobuyele sobhema, uyabo. But-ke nje solo ngiyasho ubhema kwami bengizama but hayi, noma ngathi ubhema kanjani ufihla kanjani, ohlezi bakubamba ekhaya and bayokutrapha toti, yabo. But-ke solo ngiyasho I'm not proud of this, but nje bengithi angisherishe cause I feel like kimi angikusherishe cause kwanami njengongitshela nangikucabanga or ngikukhumbula kuyangihlekisa. So thanks for watching.